In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GeForce Experience Error Code 0x0003. So in case you're getting this error on your screen right now, I'm showing you over here, we're gonna try to fix it, hopefully forever, okay? Now, I've talked to the NVIDIA support team, and many other people on the internet have as well, and they sent them the link to a cleanup tool which cleans basically all your NVIDIA software from your computer, and then you freshly reinstall that and GeForce works. And the way you get this tool is by going to Google and typing in NVIDIA developer, okay? Then you want to go over here to this link, to their website, and then the easiest way to find this is simply by changing the link, because this site is very complex and it's hard to find things. So up here where it says developer .nvidia.com, what you want to do is kind of edit this and do /cleanup-tool, okay? And then once you do that, you want to press enter, and it will automatically download this cleanup tool for you, as you can see. Now, what you want to do is simply press this, and then if it asks you for your PIN, enter it, and then you want to accept, and then it says, are you sure you want to clean all NVIDIA software and drivers? All NVIDIA settings will be removed. Continue, and you want to press yes, and you want to go through the cleanup tool. So I'm not going to press yes because I just did that a few seconds ago, but you should do it, and then after that's done, what you want to do, you want to restart the computer and then clean install the newest GeForce Experience and drivers, okay, through custom install. So what I'm talking about is you want to, of course, install the GeForce Experience. Yet again, I'm opening this right now. And then what you want to do is go to drivers up here, and then you want to do check for updates over here, which will probably be already available for you, and then you want to download this driver, okay? Now you want to download it and then perform a custom install option, which will basically pop up once you download this, and that's literally it. So this should work for you, and hopefully it does, and if this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.